Hi guys, welcome to vrm24.com YouTube channel. Name is Vadim and today I will comment and you will watch the video on how to disassemble Xiaomi RedMi Note 3 Pro SE. This assembly has the first or easy rating in our difficulty classification and will be disassembled by detaching the back cover. We will use an ejection tool, a Phillips #00 or 1.5 mm screwdriver, plastic opening tools and tweezers. First of all, we remove the card tray. We take out the card tray, which is combined for two SIM cards or SIM card and memory card. Next step is to open the back cover. The smartphone is unstoppable reboots because it has malfunction that still need to be detected or fixed, so don't care about too much. We find the gap to insert the tool and detach the back cover with a plastic tool. First, opening the cover opens quite difficult because the clips hold the cover tight, but it is our case. The phone was obviously open before us and not once. Please note that the upper and lower inserts on the back cover are plastic, so you need to be careful at the edge when you try to open the back cover. That's it, and we opened it now. Carefully, we are lifting the cover, but for the same reason, the fingerprint sensor connector was disconnected. This is additional evidence the phone was disassembled before us. The fingerprint sensor is glued to the back cover. You need to gently lift the cover and disconnect the connector. Next step is to disconnect the battery connector. For it, we use a plastic tool. In our videos, we were often told that we use metal tool before disconnecting the battery connector. And of course, even though the specialist is so professional, this is not right. We don't do it, not anymore. Move on to the bottom of the smartphone. Please note, when unscrewing the screws, remember their location because they have different size. After that, we can remove the cover protecting the subboard. The cover is essentially an assembly with a speaker and antenna tracks. Disconnect the coaxial cable and on the other side the interboard cable connectors. On the subboard we can see a micro USB charging port, of course for charging and data transfer, a microphone, and on the back side the LED light source for the navigation button. Moving on. We have already disconnected the battery, now we need to unscrew the screws in the upper part that fix the cover with antenna tracks. As you can see, the upper part has a screw warranty sticker. Definitely it is untouched. No one disassembled the upper part before us. Moving on, we need to unscrew a few more screws that fit the printer circuit board. Two that secure the vibration motor and one next to the battery. The battery has more likely been removed or changed. It can be seen that it is not correctly positioned at about the screw. The part of the battery should not cover anything on the printed circuit board, especially the place where the screw hole. Disconnect the connectors of the display cable, interboard cable, touchscreen cable, and also disconnect the cable on the side buttons. Yeah, I know, too many cables. Okay, let's move on. And now we're removing the motherboard. We totally forgot about the coaxial cable. Pry up the connector and put the cable back to the display module frame. As this assembly is almost complete, we just have to disconnect the main 16 megapixel camera, front camera, and do not forget to remove the small rubber gasket for the front camera too. We will put it back when decide to assemble everything back. We will not remove the battery because it's not clear how it was reattached, what kind of glue or sealant tape they used, etc, etc. Okay, now we're done. Thank you for watching. You guys remember the drill: watch, like, dislike, subscription, comment, and see you in the next video. Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, share, rate us, and see you in the next video.